So by the end of March, if you can get a night in, it's $200. And if you mention this, because I'm dropping some social media ads, and if you mention that you learned about this deal online or through a phone call or through this channel, I'll just say it. We will give you a free bottle of wine, and that will be we will gift you with that when you come, and that's our way of kind of padding out the rest of the winter, because once April 1st hits, we're full bore through the summer, and we'll be packed out and everything. And the nice thing about it, it's a little bit more expensive than a hotel or an Airbnb or something like that you would get. But I mean, we almost give everything for free. I mean, we don't. If you go to a campground or an RV park, you really nickel and dime for everything. The propane costs extra, the ice costs extra, the games cost extra. This all costs extra, and we actually just kind of open the door. In fact, we like to boast that we give $450 worth of extras that most campgrounds would charge.
Right.
Just check it out. You want to sleep in, we won't charge you for a late checkout, stuff like that.
Right.
And that's the benefit of, that's just kind of how we molded it. We used to charge for all that. It was more of a pain than it was a help.
Right.
So just let's give it bake it in the cost. Just go. We were trying to make it easy for people to just, $300. Okay, I'm in. And then they just do it. So
Right, it's all in. So in general, whether it's the winter or the spring, summer, or any of the seasons, is there a different cost for the weekend as opposed to a weekday?
nope.
Okay.
That's
Yep.
night. But the weekends fill up fast, so you better get in there if you want a weekend. So that kind of thing. The weekends are always booked out, and in a weekday you could be a little bit more choosy, but not weekends and holidays are that's the same price even on a holiday. 4th of July we can jack the prices up, and yeah.
Yep. I know with hotels and stuff, they usually have the
They
weekdays
really
till
stick it to
Thursday.
you. They stick it to you when the demand is high, their prices go up. So, but no,
Yes.
we typically will fill out on a holiday weekend. I think we already have people on the 4th of July who are coming and booked
Right.
out. But and Air Force Academy graduation is a big weekend
Yep.
here. But that's okay. I mean, we just fill them up and we treat it just like any other weekend.
You're going to have in August is the Bruno Mars concert right there at the Air Force Academy.
Bruno Mars, really?
So he
Okay.
actually added a second day. And so I have a feeling you probably will book out those couple days.
I'm on it. We'll be ready for them.